How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to connect your Mailchimp account or newsletter to your Squarespace store. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and all you guys have to do is make sure that you're logged into both your Squarespace store as an administrator as well as your Mailchimp account. So assuming that you guys have that going for you, you want to head back to Squarespace, and once you're in the dashboard, you want to click on settings. And what we're looking for here is the third-party tools option. So right away, when you look at the left side, you'll see the option right there. So you want to click on it, and there should be two options here, being connected accounts as well as extensions. So from here, we want to select extensions, and honestly, the easiest way is to click on the search bar right here and just type down Mailchimp. So right away, you'll see the option. Oh, I actually misspelled that. So right away, you'll see the option that says Mailchimp. So you actually have the option here to integrate your Mailchimp newsletters to your Squarespace store. So you guys get to configure like where to set the element and whatnot, where in the page you want it positioned, and where you want the embed for the newsletter to show. So to actually make the connection, just click on it and hit connect. And what had happened here is you'd be redirected to a new window where it'd ask you to authorize or authenticate the connection between Mailchimp and Squarespace. So it's actually that simple. As you can see, I've been redirected to this page. So all you have to do from here is simply log in and give Mailchimp permission, or I should say Squarespace permission, to integrate into your Mailchimp account. It's actually taking a long time to load, but that's honestly it. So yeah, hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guys like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support to that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.